Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've got this lovely Golf just arrived into stock. Very good price range car. Got front park distance control, alloy wheels, it's the TDI BlueMotion, rear park distance control. It's just going to be MOT'd and serviced. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the rear parcel shelf. As you can see, the interior is in excellent condition. Just does not look like the miles. It's a lot of car for the money. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Nowhere on the seat bolster there. Done 95,690 miles. Start the car up. Sounds lovely. It's got media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, radio obviously, different driving style modes: eco, normal, sport, individual, park distance control, audio and visual, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights. Oh, got 3-stage heated seats. It's nice. Air conditioning. But look, there's just no wear on anything. It is really been kept in lovely condition. So you get really good value for money. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please ring me on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.